Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I'm a little behind in the spring colors videos that I was supposed to upload for you guys, but I'm gonna do one today, and I've already done one on the orange eyeshadow using this palette. So today I'm gonna do this green right here. Probably gonna mix this orangey color here. It's like a light orange, and blend it in the crease with this one. So it's just going to be two eyeshadows. This is more for the crease, and then this will be the one color that'll stand out. So I'm going to do that one. I don't know if I'm going to be mixing in any other colors with it, but we'll see how it goes. So if you guys want to see how this look turns out, then keep on watching. So what I've just done, guys, is wet my brush a little bit to see if I can get a little bit more pigment out of the green eyeshadow, and looks like it actually worked. This side is much brighter than this side. So what I find with the NYX eyeshadows is, if you use, I didn't use an eye primer, so maybe that's a good idea, is use an eye primer or wet your brush and you'll get some good pigment out of it. So I'm just going over the eyes again. It's a beautiful green. I'm just gonna go back in with the same color again, that light orange. I think I'm just gonna stick to this color in the crease. I don't want to add another color, it'll take away from the green. So I'm just gonna blend the colors in, just in the crease. It's a really nice transition shade. I'm going to take that shade again, use the same brush, and just apply it to the bottom lower lash. I'm going to go in with this brush again, flat shader brush. This is the one I use to apply the green. I'm just going to... actually, I changed my mind on that. I'm going to go in with my Profusion Naturals palette. And I'm going to use a dark brown from here. It comes with a brush, so I'm going to use the flat side. And I just want to use the color to darken the bottom. And it's the Naturals palette, so I'm going to go in with, I think this color is nice right here. So I'm doing a mix of cozy and outspoken. And if you notice, I'm just doing the outer corner. I just want to deepen and darken that half. So I'm trying to make this look as effortless as possible. I know that using bright colors and more than 2 eyeshadows can be a little intimidating, but I wanted this look to be a little bit easy and that anybody can do it. So I hope you guys get some inspiration from this. I'm gonna go in with this brush here. This is the Beige Cosmetics number 6 brush. So far the brushes that I've used are C441 Pro Blending Crease Brush, and I got this a long time ago. I don't know what brand this is. It seems that I only have this one. The other one is from a brand called Scone, and this is a large shadow brush. Yeah, I think that's about it. So this one, I'm going to use this just to highlight on the top, and 2 brushes here. So I'm going to use this one for highlighting. I'm going to go in with the color, I think this one right here, and this is called Excited. Actually, this might not be the best brush to apply that because I'm not getting anything out of it. I'm going to use the flat one and pick up that Excited color. I'm also going to take that color in the inner corners of the eye. Okay, looking good so far. What am I missing? Debating on whether I should do eyeliner or not. I always do black eyeliner. So I think we're just gonna stick with a pencil eyeliner. This one is Avon Glimmersticks in Blackest black, and it's one of those retractable ones. So, okay. So I haven't done my concealer yet. We're gonna clean up with the concealer after I do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna darken the outer corner, and I've smudged it with my fingers. And I'm gonna go back in and darken it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the waterline just on the top and the bottom. And I'm just going halfway just to darken the outer corners. Okay, we're gonna go in with mascara. I've got the same one. I don't have a new one yet, but I'm liking this one. It's Snapscara by Maybelline. Okay, mascara and eyes are completed. We're now going to go in with the concealer. This is a NYX concealer. It's a Can't Stop, Won't Stop contour concealer in the color Beige. This is a deluxe crease brush by Real Techniques. I'm going to use this to blend that in. Okay, we are almost done. I'm going to quickly set with the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop powder. This is in medium. Real Techniques brush. This is the Duo Fiber Contour Brush. Gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Guerlain bronzer, and this one is in the Terracotta Natural 02, and I'm gonna do a little bit with another Real Techniques brush. This is the contour. I think I'm not going to use blush today. I'm just gonna keep the face bronzy looking. I think the look is almost done. Beige Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go in with a mix of the middle and the first shade. This is the High Voltage palette. And lastly, we're gonna do lips, and I have a new color from MAC. It's actually a new release, like a new color that they just came out with, and it's a matte, and it's called You Wouldn't Get Me. So first I'm gonna pair it with MAC's Soar Lipliner. There you go, guys. That's the completed look. It's nice and simple. What do you guys think? I really love that green. That is so pretty. That's the look completed. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this look. And if you get inspired to do something like that, tag me, let me know. All my socials will be linked down below. The colors mentioned, or the colors used, I will link those down below as well. But yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I will be back with more videos creating some other spring colors. I've got the entire eyeshadow palette and just some other really pretty colors in there, so I'll do some more videos. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you do get notified every time I upload. So like I said, I'll be back with more videos. I'll be doing some more spring colors for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.